Present for sale at 3 Pines Garage. Registration LV68LJC. Ford Transit Custom 2.0 EcoBlue 130 PS Low Roof Cab Limited Van. It has done 107,000 miles with one previous owner. The van comes with alloys, air conditioning, DAB radio, Bluetooth, cruise control, parking sensors, heated seats, Apple CarPlay, heated windscreen. This custom has a lot going for it, being a factory-fitted crew cab with a fantastic spec. Long wheelbase with a roof rack allows plenty of storage. Even fitted with deadlocks for extra security and safety. A full MOT and full service are included in the sale. Part exchange is considered at trade value, finance options available, and warranty is included. You can contact us at 07300 300 101 or at 01885488188. Go to 3pinesgarage.co.uk now to find up to 100 crew vans, panel vans, and 9-seaters in stock. Open 7 days a week for viewing.